Thank you guys for coming back to the channel once again. Today I am going to be creating some coasters for my last Christmas tablescape, and I'm also going to try something new. I am going to try and create me some napkin rings. I've mixed up my epoxy. So we are going to get started with this, guys.
Hear the wind in the trees in winter, like a sweet lullaby, remember. Running free as a child with red cheeks, sinking into the snow with small feet. Longest days, wish I could stay awake so I don't miss one snowflake. A cup of hot honey tea in your paws. A little bird on the branch sings sweet songs. Take it slow, 'cause you know it won't last.
Next, I'm going to put a little glam to my coasters. I'm going to add some red sequins. And I believe I got these sequins from Dollar Tree.
Hear the wind in the trees in winter, like a sweet lullaby, remember. Running free as a child with red cheeks, sinking into the snow with small feet.
I'm going to add some green sequins also.
Hear the wind in the trees in winter, like a sweet lullaby, remember. Running free.
And just a little of my glam glitter.
Hear the wind in the trees in winter, like a sweet lullaby, remember. Running free as a child with red cheeks, sinking into the snow with small feet. Longest days, wish I could stay awake so I don't miss one snowflake.
I'm going to let this sit up to dry. I'm going to add some more different things inside of the napkin holder. I think I'm going to add some red epoxy to it. I'm not sure yet. But I'll come back for the next step. My beautiful coasters turned out. Yes. That's all I can say is yes. So let me demold them. That's beautiful, guys. That is beautiful. And you will see these on my tablescape this Tuesday. Now, the napkin ring. This was my first time doing a napkin ring, so let's demold this and see how it looks. Not bad for my first napkin ring. Not bad at all. I like that. I like how I did this one too, where I got a little clear showing and some red. And you will see this also on my tablescape this Tuesday. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I have video after video after video coming out for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and you all have a blessed day.